Hi everyone, my name is Virajda Siddharth. Today is 5 January, 5 February 2022. Today's topic is Java abstraction and encapsulation in Java. In that, it is an object-oriented programming language. In this OOPS concept, in OOPS concept includes classes and objects, polymorphism, in which inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation in that features. Oops. That difference between abstraction and encapsulation is that abstraction hides the code and encapsulation is abstraction hides the codes and complexity with encapsulation hides internal working. In that abstraction is a process of hiding of implementation in detail and showing only functionality to the user, and another way to the it shows only essential things in that to the user and hides the internal details. In that where is type next to send the message. It is features of OOPS. It is used to hide unnecessary information, the data of the but shows essential. In that data that is used usefully, the methods interface and the abstract class. In interface only methods are exposed to the interface in that user only. In that the user only known as which keys is pressed for what function. Then the main purpose of abstraction is hiding the unnecessary. The main purpose of the abstraction, in which abstraction is selecting details from the user, and abstraction is a selecting of the data from larger to the show only relevant details in the object. In that it is reducing programming complexity and efforts, in which abstraction is displays only the relevant attributes and objects and hides the unnecessary details. In that abstraction is features of OOPS and hides the unnecessary details in essential information. In that which next is encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is the process of wrapping code, and encapsulation is data together into a single unit. In that, for example, a capsule which mixed several of medicines, in that create fully and of the class is encapsulated class in Java by the data members of the class is private. The being class is the example of fully encapsulated class. In that encapsulation is the defined as the wrapping of the data under a single unit. In manipulates another way to the think and about encapsulation, and it is a protective shade and that prevents the data from being accessed by the code outside. In that the process to which encapsulation is object-oriented programming. That concept is based together to data and functions in that interface. Best example is encapsulation could be a calculator. Thank you.